Millie. I am 7 years old, and I just wanted to tell you about my experience in a blizzard that happened a few weeks ago. Maybe I should say about a month ago. Well, anyhow, it happened. The blizzard all started when Mommy and Daddy and I turned on the news, and it had been snowing and kind of windy for a while now, and then we found out about the blizzard, and me and Thas had never gone through a blizzard before, so it was kind of interesting to us. It wasn't very scary because we weren't outside, but the funny thing that I think that I kind of wrote in a book, I wrote it in a paperback book that I made, is I said that a blizzard was relaxing. Yeah, well, anyhow, we didn't really do much. It was just basically a regular, everyday thing. When night came, the blizzard hit hard, and it was nearly a whiteout. But we didn't see many cars, and it wasn't too bad. We had, well, it's sort of we watched Pollyanna, which was one of my read-alouds. Pollyanna is a movie about a little girl who's an orphan, and it was a read-aloud. My read-alouds are things that are chapter books that Mama reads to me. Anyway, and Mama baked cookies, and I'm trying to think of what else we did in the blizzard. Not really, but
we
Mama
played in the snow.
Not really.
Oh, yeah, we did. We went outside. Oh, you mean after the blizzard was over?
Yeah. No, I mean, no, I don't,
You mean
while the blizzard was going.
What's going on, yeah.
Mama read a book about Laura and Pa, and how Pa was traveling through a blizzard and things. It was a fun story.
What did it look like outside?
It was all white, like I could barely see the street lights sometimes when the wind was really bad. And you could see the wind. It was so huge. Yeah. Anyway, the blizzard was just really fierce. I don't know how to explain it, but I do have some pictures of the big drifts on my camera, and I might be able to put those on my blog sometime. Anyway, all I wanted to do was to say that afterwards we went outside, played a lot, and the drifts were so high that me and Sas were really amazed. And if they weren't there and we were still up there, we'd be quite a few feet off the ground. Like, I could step on the top of of the outside picnic table chairs, and Daddy found a mug that had water in it, and it was frozen to the bottom. I'm surprised it didn't blow over. Anyhow, we made a lot of snowballs and had a big snowball fight. And since there was so much wind, it wasn't very deep on the ground. It was only deep in the drifts, so me and Sas really only played in the drifts. We made a huge fort. Then I dug a big cave, and it's collapsed now because it's pretty melty and stuff out there. But there was quite a bit of snow. But anyhow, back then it was huge. It was really big. Daddy, could you put that cave video on the vlog sometime?
Oh yeah, maybe
of
so.
The cave.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well, that would be.
Why don't you finish up?
Anyway. All I wanted to tell you is a blizzard isn't exactly scary. For all the kids out there who are wondering if there's a blizzard, it might be really scary. It's only scary if you're outside during the blizzard. So probably no traveling. But even if you're in your car, it isn't that scary. But it is kind of dangerous. But when you're in your house, snug and cozy, the blizzard can't rip off the top of your house or anything you might think it could do. It isn't strong enough to do that. All it is a wind that pushes the snow all over the place. And it was actually kind of fun and cool. Sort of like I was making my own science stuff. think that a blizzard is just a way of having fun with your family. Bye.